I make these sandwiches twice a week because of how delicious they are. Wait till you see what I did with this today. These are so good and you will make them again and again. You will forget what they are made from. Wait and see how I turn these beans into street masterpiece. Let's get right in. This is the African way of dehulling or removing the chaff from beans. You first soak the beans in water, drain out the water, and then put the beans in a mortar and then use a pestle to pound for some time until all the chaff is out. Then, as you can see here, I have finished pounding and all the chaff is removed. So you just soak back in water and continue pouring away the water. Pour water in the bowl, pour away the water. It will be going out with the chaff. So by the time you repeat this process 3 to 4 times, your beans will be absolutely clean and free from all that chaff. As you can see now, I'm done washing the beans. Put the beans in a pot and pour some water. Cook the beans for some minutes or for some time until it is very soft. And there, my beans are well cooked. So you can use your fingers to test if the beans is really cooked. You can see mine are very soft. So you strain the water out from the beans and then pour the cooked beans into a bowl. Use a potato masher, fork or spoon to mash the beans until they are soft and sticky. This is what we are going to use to make the patties. Trust me, I'm going to turn this into a street masterpiece. You will keep on making this over and over again. Now, continue mashing the beans until they are soft. You can see my beans are soft now. You can check to see if the beans are thoroughly mashed. This is okay. This texture is okay. Now you add in some flour, not much. Add some spices, seasoning powder and salt, and add in some pepper which are grated with onions together. Now we add some soy sauce and we gently mix until all the mixture is well combined. After combining this, we are going to make patties out of them and fry the patties. And those patties are going to be used to stuff the sandwiches. So we keep on mixing until they are very soft. Now we mold, take some portion out and mold them into a ball-like shape. Then you flatten with the center of your palms. So you can see these are the shapes of our patties. Do this or repeat this until all the beans are exhausted. Mold, flatten, and you set aside. You now heat some oil and then drop your patties in batches into the hot oil. Cook both sides until they are golden brown. So you can see I'm cooking my patties. They look very lovely and the smell is amazing. I wish you can smell the aroma of these patties. So turning them until they are golden brown, as you can see. You fry some more until the other side is also golden brown in color. And our patties are cooked. Now we are going to use some slices of bread which I already toasted, some lettuce, some tomatoes, mayonnaise sauce and the patties to make our sandwiches. Now let's dive right in. Now place some slices of the toasted bread on a plate. Then you start layering. We start with the lettuce. Layer all the bread with some pieces of lettuce, as you can see. Then place your patties on top of this lettuce. On top of the patties, we spread some of the mayonnaise sauce. Do this for all the 3 slices. Now top with some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. You can add anything of your choice, maybe cheese and anything you can think of, your preferences. So you top with some lettuce again. Then we finish by layering another slice of bread on top of the lettuce. So, ta-da! Our beans patty sandwiches are ready. So yummy and satisfying. Oh, come on, look at the texture, look at the inside. Juicy and rich, and they are so delicious. And that's how you turn everyday beans into pure wow. If this made you salivate, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and join the kitchen. I'm always there on Cook with Aunty S. Try this and let me know how it turned out.